Well, I'm here at Mote Cemetery in front of the gravesite of Mom and Dad and my brother Steve. And I've got some background music going on. I think essentially I'll head up here to 100 feet and then I'll level off a little bit. Then I'll head on up to 200 feet, kind of look around, do some zooming in, and I'll let you listen to the music I've picked out here for this flight, but enjoy. By the way, this is 12 minutes and 21 seconds long. Have fun. Right here, you can really see how thin I am on top. I was trying to make some adjustments, have this thing go do some stuff automatically. I still have problems trying to get that to work, but I'm having some fun. I'll figure this stuff all out in time. About this point, I've hit 100 feet high, and shortly here I'll head up some more and it'll be up to 200 feet. Right about here, I've hit 200 feet high, and shortly I'll pan around and I'll zoom in. There's a couple farmhouses over here to the right. I'll pan around to that direction, and there's a 2x zoom. That's a digital zoom, and then there's going to be a 3x digital zoom there shortly after that. Oops, I forgot I turned over here to and looked over to that would be to the south. So I guess before I'm rotating back to the west. That's looking towards Pittsburgh there along the old railroad tracks. Coming up shortly is a 2x zoom. Then I think, there it goes, zoomed in towards Pittsburgh. There's a 3x zoom, looking that way, and back to 1x, looking down at the creek there, next to the Mote Cemetery. Now I'm panning around, heading up towards here to the northwest there, northwest there. And I'll pan around, let me see here, heading over. Now I'm looking mostly north at this point here across the Pittsburgh-Laura Road. And there's the farmhouse there and the place. I used to live at that place with the red barns there. Just zoomed in 2x. Used to live there in that place. There's the 3x zoom. I was there when I went to kindergarten at FM. So zoomed out to 1x. Still up at 200 feet, turning around there to Laura now, looking back east a little bit from Mote Cemetery, and panning around here. Those over now, I'm heading, looking towards the south east. That'd be towards Potsdam, if you could see it over there, zoomed in, 2x. You can see the power lines going down the railroad tracks there. Those are that's the old railroad tracks, but those power lines there, I must have zoomed in 3x. So that's all digital zoom. This camera doesn't, there I zoom back out to 1x. So looking around, heading there, we're looking pretty far to the southeast there. And now starting to move around a little bit here, coming down a little bit, I believe, at this point. Probably down to around 60 feet here or so. Thought I would get a little bit closer in and playing around with controlling it closer to the ground. bringing it down here for a landing. Here in about a minute and 10 seconds, it'll be on the ground. And so I hope you enjoyed this preview of the flight around Mote Cemetery and looking around. So it'll be down here shortly. Give it about a minute. It'll be down. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.